Good evening, Raghavi.
Good evening.
Yeah, first of all, congratulations. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, myself, Neenu. I am from quality department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. Just give a small introduction about yourself, Raghavi.
Myself, Raghavi brother. I am basically from Vijayapura, from BLDE Engineering College. I have completed my BE Civil in 2024.
So, how do you come to know about CMTI?
And my friends were there in CMTI, ma'am.
Okay. So, you have pursued interior design course, right? So, what are
Yes.
the topics you have learned? How interesting it was to you?
About the materials we have learned and the softwares like AutoCAD and interiors and SketchUps and all cut list. We have learned all that.
Yeah. So, you went for site visits, all, no?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what are things you have explored? How many site visits you went?
It was more than 10, 12 months. We have seen a lot of designs over there and the types of kitchens and the themes.
So, how was our CMTI trainers? So, you were comfortable with them? How
Yes,
did they coordinate you?
yes, I'm very comfortable, and they are very supportive.
So, how did you crack your interview? You can just tell few points for the upcoming students. It will be very helpful.
Yeah, ma'am. What we have learned here, we are learned here, ma'am. That is the same thing they will ask in the interviews, and the drawings and all the same thing they are asking.
So, what you studied, you implemented, so you cracked a few.
Yes,
In a
ma'am.
simple theory, you're told, right? Yeah. So, how was our CMTI staff's coordinations? Did they coordinated you very well?
Yes,
Or
ma'am. They are
strict? What is
coordinated.
the thing?
They have coordinated with us very well, ma'am. Like even the site visits and the interviews, they used to update it every single information.
Okay, you used our CMTA app, right? How
Yes,
user friendly the app was?
it was good, ma'am. Like the questions, the test we were writing in that particular app, ma'am, it was helpful for the interview questions as well.
Yeah, once again, thank you so much for your wonderful feedback. All the best for your future, Raghavi.
Thank
Thank
you.
you once again.